Morning Year 6, welcome to another maths video. Today we're going to continue with fractions and we're going to be looking at subtracting fractions. As always, we're going to start with fluent in 5, which is becoming much more fluent in 3. Pause it, have a go. Don't worry if you can't do it in 5 minutes, just complete the calculations in whatever time you need and we'll see how you get on. Pause the video and have a go. Brilliant, so hopefully you paused the video and had a go, so let's look at it. 4 and 2/8 take away 1 and 3/4. First of all, we had to turn them into improper fractions. So we had 34 eighths take away 7/4. We then need a common denominator, which we can turn this one into 14 eighths. That gives us 28 as the answer, which is the same as 2 1/2. Well done if you simplified it to a half. Number 2, 2 and 1/9 take away 1 and 2/3. Turn them into improper fractions and you get 19 ninths take away 5/3. Make your common denominator. Let's turn this into a common denominator of 9. That gives us 19 ninths take away 15 ninths, which gives us 4 ninths. Number 3, 4 and 1/3 take away 1 and 2/5. 13 thirds take away 7/5. Now, this one was a bit trickier because our common denominator was 15. Hopefully, if you struggled, you use column multiplication to get 65/15 take away 21/15. That gives us 44/15, which is the same as 2 and 14/15. If you got those right, really, really well done, especially the last one. So, today's problems. In this addition pyramid, a number is the sum of the two numbers below it. So that would mean that these two fractions add together to make that one, and those two add together to make that one, and the same, those two add together to make that one. You have to work out the value of star. Now, despite this being called an addition pyramid, you do need to do the inverse because you need to work your way down. So, have a play with that one, pause the video and see if you can complete it. Second problem, the table shows the distance each child lives from the park. So, their names across the top, and then distance from the park. Now, Teddy says, I live 2 1/5 kilometre nearer to the park than Juan does. Then, I've slipped off her name, but let's call her
Doris.
No, she must have a name. She must be Eva because she's missing from the top.
Oh yeah.
Eva,
Well
we
spotted.
feel like Sherlock working that out. Eva says, I live 9/10 kilometre nearer the park than Brett does. Ooh. And Annie says, I live 750 metres nearer the park than Teddy does. So do your magic, work your magic, and work out their distance from each park. As always, pause it, have a go, and we will reveal the answers in tomorrow's video. Good luck!